Good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video. This is video number 16 now, and we just got our earnings for the day. I just got the notification bell a couple seconds ago, actually. A little bit lower day today, 0.23% on my money, so I actually made $22.99. It's a little bit lower than, say, Friday or Thursday or Wednesday, as you see. But yeah, that's how Forex trade goes, guys. The Forex market, depending on the currency, the computerized bot bets on two currencies whether they're going to go up or down. And yeah, so the amount of earnings per day is not going to be consistent. It's going to go up and down. Um, Hopefully, you want to hope for more up days than downer days, but this is a little bit lower day. But hey, I'm not complaining because I made $22.99 for doing absolutely nothing here, guys, just having money in the system. And so yeah, as you can see, I'm approaching. If you add these two together, I'm approaching $14,000. Of course, another 100 and maybe 73 or 77, I should say, $177 away from 14,000. It should happen sometime this week, guys. Usually I average around $50 a day, but as you see, I made $22.99 today, so it was a little bit lower day, but it's all good. It's all good. So, if you guys have been following my videos, you can see my account has been growing. I actually just set up a money transfer system called ShakePay because I'm in Canada. So this will allow me to go from the S Group account into my S wallet, which I haven't shown you guys yet, but that allows you to manage your money through the system and send it anywhere you need to send it, or receive money into the system so you can fund your account, or you can just send money to other users. That's a whole nother conversation. But yeah, so yeah, I set up my ShakePay account earlier today, and which is going to allow me to receive the money from the S wallet here in S Group, and then from there I can transfer the money to my bank account, and I can just have access to the funds right away, guys. And yeah, I'm very excited for that. I'm going to start doing that. I mean, it's pretty much June. It's May 30th right now. Tomorrow's the 31st. And then, yeah, in a couple days it'll be June. So I'm going to let June ride all the way through, and then I'm going to start doing so in July. So after the first 2 weeks in July, guys, I'll be starting to do withdrawals. So make sure you check out my videos as I go along. I'll even do some withdrawal videos as I go along here, guys. But yeah, things are moving along smoothly. If you have any questions, of course, my email address is in the description down below. Shoot me an email. We can talk about S Group. It's an investment company. I was referred to this company by an individual by the name of Andrew. He lives in the same country that I reside, Canada, and he told me about it. He's a money guy for over 13 years. He's been doing like stock trading and investing and stuff like that. So he really knows his stuff. He researched this company for like 6 months and got to know the owners really well. If you search S Group owners or S Group company, get more information about S Group, you'll see the owners, very reliable individuals, three guys, business owners. They have a lot of money. They put a lot of money into the system, millions and millions of dollars, guys. And especially the bot that controls the trading, it is yeah, it's basically worth in the millions, and it's the same type of system the banks use, which the banks put your money on these markets, and the computerized systems earn and make money for the banks. So yeah, that's a whole nother conversation. But anyways, guys, I've been close to the end of my 5-minute daily review video. Hope you guys enjoying these videos. Just showing you my progress in S Group day by day. Hopefully to motivate you and inspire you to get involved, guys, because it's easy money. You just have your money in the system, and the principal never gets touched. The $13,800 in this example. If I want, I can take it out, but I'm just keeping it in there so that it earns money for me Monday through Friday, 5 days a week, every single day, guys. Monday through Friday. Ugh, sorry, I can't talk. So anyways, I'm at the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Remember, click subscribe in the link below to subscribe to my channel, and click on the sign up link down below, guys. Sign up and join my team. All right, take care. See you in the next video.